Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last couple of videos I showed you how to create a resource group and workspace, machine learning workspace and storage account. Now in this lesson I will try to show you how to create a container inside storage account. And a storage account in consta as let's say your drive, so might be for instance D drive in your computer, and a container, it's like a data set or a folder inside this storage account. And today I will try to show you how to create a container via uh, manually. Let's see manually here. So as you can see here in the beginning, let me just go back, and this is the main dashboard. And in in the storage account, just click in the storage account, select the storage account you would like to store. Let's see, to put your data in, and let me try. I will try to see this one here. This is only example. Now let me see. I'm now in a storage account CLI01. This was created by CLI commands. Now, as you can see here, this is the containers. In the containers, it's nothing in this containers. So I will try to create a container one. Let's see, uh, fruit. So I try to create, copy a data from Kaggle, fruit data sets, this one here. So I will try to see 01, for instance. Now, this only advanced, just keep the default and try to click create. Okay, successfully created. Now, as you can see here, this is a container fruit 01. And in this, let's see, folder of fruit of container, we need to upload some data here. And for this, I have already downloaded the data. You can click here, upload. Now you can go to the directory or just drop the drag drop. For instance, I will just move this and put it here. Now, if the data is already exists, try to override this. Now, in this advanced, we need also some to identify or add the upload to folder. Let's see, let's call it data here. Now, try to upload. Successfully uploaded. Now you can see here, this is our data here. This is the data in this container. As you can see here, this is the data set, CSV file, and it's in fruit, in container, in storage, and a storage account. Now you can see this is our data here. This is the properties, last modified, versions, and etc. And you can see here's versions. It's only the first version here. Now you can see the attributes. Just click preview. Let me just move this here just to see the data sets. And this is the data set. And it's, as I said, it's mentioned, it's downloaded from here, from Kaggle. Now, in this case, we have a container, and this container, it's inside storage account CLI01. Now, this data set, or let's say this is the container, will be used in our workspace. But I'm trying to go step by step further and until getting the real, let's see, end-to-end project using Azure Cloud. I think this is for today, and the next video I will try to show you how to create this containers either using CLI, command lines, or Python SDK version 2, and the last most important one is the via pipeline. So last couple of days I tried to create the pipelines here. As you can see here, creating the resource group, creating the workspace, and then creating the storage account. In the next videos, as I said, I will try to add here a CLI, Azure CLI, and create a container with command line, as you can see here. That's it for today, and see you next time.